Hey, good morning. So it's no prep, or excuse me, no cook, meal prep. I don't cook much. But I just thought I'd show you what I do after a trip to Costco. These Parmesan cheese crisp crackers from Costco. They're amazing. And so I find I eat too much. So the bag says 23 grams or 23 chips is one serving. That's 150 calories, even though it is only one net carb. I usually don't want to eat a whole 150 calories worth of these anyway. So I've baggied them into baggies of 16 chips. So I know if I grab a baggie out of the fridge, and you do need to keep them in the fridge because they will mold. They are cheese. So I've baggied them into little 16 chips in each little mini snack size bag. I'm also pulling out some of the holy guacamole, the little individual packages that I also get from Costco because guacamole turns brown so fast. Yes, fresh guacamole would be better, but since I'm the only one in the house who eats it, I find that these are best. And so what am I having? I'm having them with the organic lentil turmeric crackers from Costco. So also I've baggied out a week's worth. So 16 chips to a baggie. 16 chips is only 12 net carbs. Awesome. Organic stone ground white corn. So organic means non-GMO. So anytime you're going to eat corn, it must be non-GMO, and 95% of corn is not non-GMO. So you have to, if you do happen to eat any corn, you got to make sure it's non-GMO. Second ingredient is lentils. I thought it was the other way around, but at any rate, the important thing is the 12 net carbs. You can see we subtract the 2 grams of fiber from the 14 carbs. And I have checked these for my blood sugar response. You checked it immediately before eating and then 45 minutes after, and they're good to go, especially if I eat them with cheese or guacamole. So, and then I got to the bottom of the bag here. I guess I've been snacking on them, and I didn't have enough to baggie a whole week's worth. So at the bottom of the bag is a lot of, well, you'll see in a minute, a lot of little itty bitty pieces. So I can't really baggie those, but they are going to be amazing on my salad. So you'll notice I've got a good 4 cups of the organic spring mix here. 4 tight, big fisted handfuls. Because that's only 4 grams of fiber. We need to eat lots and lots of greens. Even though it looks like tons, it's only 4 grams of fiber. So you got to eat a lot. Anywho, that's my 2 cents.